Hello students, welcome back. Let us take a look at question number 6 of sample paper 1 section B. It states that a capsule of medicine is in the shape of a sphere of diameter 3.5 millimeters. How much medicine in millimeter cube is needed to fill this capsule? So again, this question is from the chapter surface areas and volumes, and all these questions that we're discussing, they are from your exam perspective. So please make sure that you're solving this once with me and once without me. Okay, so getting back, what do we have is a capsule which is in the shape of a sphere. So let's write this down. Given I have capsule in shape of sphere. So what do we have? We have its diameter, which is 3.5 millimeter. So I'll say diameter is equal to 3.5 millimeter. We need to find how much medicine in millimeter cube is needed to fill this capsule. So when you just been given this kind of question, how much medicine, that means the sphere is going to contain medicine. So anything that contains or anything that we are filling up into a hollow thing, what do we need to find of that hollow thing? We need to find its volume. So in this case, what we are going to find is the volume of the sphere, which will give the volume of the capsule, which is nothing but how much medicine is needed to fill in this capsule in millimeter cubes. So I'll say to find volume of sphere. So what do we know about volume of sphere? It is 4/3 pi r cube. So 4/3 is a constant, pi is a constant, and we have r cube. So r is nothing but the radius, but we've been given with the diameter. So we're going to take the radius as diameter divided by 2 and find the solution. So I'll say solution, volume of sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube, which is going to be nothing but 4/3 pi into d divided by 2 the whole cube. So you can either do d divided by 2 the whole cube, or you can first find the radius, which is 3.5 divided by 2, and find the solution. Anyway, anything will suffice. Okay, so let's substitute 4/3. Pi is not specified explicitly, so I'll take it as the default, which is 22/7, and d is what? 3.5/2 the whole cube. So let's expand our bracket. This is going to be 4/3 into 22/7 into 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5 upon 7 into 7 into 2 into 2 into 2. Right? So 7 ones are 7, 7.5s are 35. Then I have 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 22. Then I have 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So now nothing is cancelling really. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply these values, 11 into 0.5 into 3.5 into 3.5, and divide it by 3. Okay. So now 3.5 into 3.5, let's just take the square of 35. We know that the square of 35, we are going to square this term, which is going to be 25, and multiply 3 with the consecutive larger number, which is 4. So 3 4s are 12. Therefore, the square of 35 is 1225. And how many decimal places will we have for 3.5? That will be 2, because we have 3.5 into 3.5. So 12.25 into 11 into 0.5. So 11 into 0.5 is going to be 5.5. So 12.25 into 5.5 divided by 3. So how do we calculate 12.25 into 5.5? For now, I'm just not going to consider the decimals. I'll take 1225 into 55. So 1225 into 55 can be written as 50 plus 5, right? So let's multiply 1225 with 50 and then with 5 and add these terms. So this is nothing but the distributive law. So 0, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12, 5 2s are 10, 11, 5 1s are 5, 6, and this will be 6125. So 61250 plus 6125. So 57376. So I get 67375, and how many decimal places do I have? 1, 2 and 3. So it will be 67.375. So 67.375 divided by 3. Now we need to do the division. Please take a note of the calculation, or you can calculate as you like. I usually prefer the distributive law for multiplication. It makes my work very easy. And let's do this division now. 67.375 divided by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 8s are 24, 3 3s are 9, and this will keep recurring. So finally what do I have? I have my answer as 22.458333. So usually we prefer just 2 decimal places after the decimal. So instead of taking 22.458333, I am going to take only until 45, until here. But I am going to take a look at the third point after the decimal. It is greater than 5. So I am just going to add 1 to 5. So what's my solution going to be? It's going to be 22.46. So this is going to be 22.46. Now this is the volume of sphere in millimeter cube. But what do we need to write exactly? We need to find how much medicine is needed to fill this capsule. So it becomes essential that you write your answer in the form of a statement, especially in cases of word problems. So I will say answer 22.46 millimeter cube of medicine is needed to fill the capsule. Please make sure you're writing the answer in statement format, especially for word problems, or it's very likely that you will miss out on half mark or 1 mark. And this is an important question. It can come for anywhere between 4 to 5 marks. So here is the solution. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.